What's Inside Me? By Diana Noonan. Contents. Introduction. Lungs. Blood. Heart. Muscles. Brain. Take care of your body. Glossary. Index. Introduction. On the outside, everyone looks different. Some people have dark hair. Some people have fair hair. Some people are tall. Some people are short. But inside, everyone's body works in much the same way. We all breathe, move, and think. We all have the same organs and tissues to help us do these things. Lungs. Inside your chest are two stretchy lungs that help you breathe. They stretch out when you breathe in. They shrink back when you breathe out. Did you know that your right lung is bigger than your left lung? When you breathe in, your lungs collect oxygen gas from the air. When you breathe out, they push gas out of your body. The gas is called carbon dioxide. Breathing cigarette smoke can damage your lungs. Air pollution can also harm your lungs. Air pollution from a factory. Cigarette smoke. Blood. Arteries carry blood away from your heart to your body. Veins carry blood from your body back to your heart. Blood carries the oxygen your body needs. Your blood travels all around your body in tubes of different sizes. The tubes that carry blood and oxygen are called arteries. The tubes that carry blood and carbon dioxide are called veins. Did you know your veins and arteries are so long they would go around the world twice? Heart. Your heart is a muscle. It forces blood around your body. It makes a beating sound as it squeezes in tightly, then swells back out to its normal size. This squeezing and swelling pulls and pushes blood through the veins and arteries. It takes about 1 minute for blood to travel around your body and back to your heart. An adult's heart beats between 60 and 70 times a minute. A child's heart beats faster than an adult's. Did you know that your heart is strong enough to squirt blood easily from one side of the classroom to the other? This machine measures how well your heart is pushing the blood around your body. If you eat lots of fatty food, it can block your heart's arteries. When the arteries from the heart become blocked, the heart cannot pump blood around as well as usual. Fried chips are very fatty. Muscles. Your heart is an important muscle, but there are over 600 other muscles in your body. Some are tiny, like the muscles inside your ears. Some are large, like the muscles that make your thighs move. Muscles need oxygen and sugar to help them work well. Blood carries this fuel to the muscles. The more you exercise, the more fuel your muscles need. That is why your heart beats faster when you exercise. It is carrying more blood to your muscles. You need fuel for your muscles to be able to ride a bike. Did you know that the tongue is the strongest muscle in the body for its size? Some muscles, like your heart, move even when you are asleep. Other muscles, such as arm muscles, move only when you want to make them work. Did you know that you exercise at least 17 muscles when you smile? Brain. Your brain is soft and jelly-like and contains lots of cells. It is protected by your hard skull. An adult's brain weighs about 1.4 kilograms. Did you know that the brain gets lighter as you get older because cells die and are not replaced? All day and all night, your brain sends messages to your body telling it how to work. It helps you think, speak, move, feel, hear, and see. Did you know that 80% of the brain is water? Brain messages travel down your spine along nerves. Different parts of your body send messages back to your brain in the same way. Spine. Everyone's body works in the same way. Everyone needs to look after their body to keep it working well. This is called the biceps muscle. Take care of your body. Exercise. Ride your bike or your skateboard. Go to a dance class. Walk with your family or friends. Play at the park. Rest. Go to bed early whenever you can. Do not have too many late nights. Eat well. Eat plenty of fresh fruit and vegetables. Don't eat sweets and junk food very often. Glossary. Carbon dioxide. A gas that people make by breathing. It has no colour or smell. Fuel. Food and oxygen that give the body the energy it needs to work properly. Nerves. Parts of the body that send messages to the brain. Organs. Parts of the body that each have their own special job. Oxygen. The gas we need to breathe. It has no colour or smell. Tissues. The materials from which humans are made.